Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm standing next to the Leyland Cypress hedge. This has been planted exactly 1 year ago, and I wanted to show you an update on how much the plants grew this past year and the 3 important things I learned. So the first thing I learned was not to buy really tall and slim trees just like these were when I planted them, because in this area sometimes we get really heavy snow. This is what happened this winter. These were bent over horizontally on the ground because the snow was just so heavy on them. And those were the 2 days in the whole year when there was no wind to help with the snow. So that was the first lesson, but they survived and they are happy and they look really good. So the second lesson was fertilize more often. You can see a little bit of iron deficiency on these. This is why the leaves are a little bit yellowish. So I fertilized them twice at the beginning of the season, and after that I completely forgot about them, unfortunately. Especially since I was working on the pond, everything else was neglected. So these need slightly acidic soil in order to be able to absorb the iron, so I will have to add a little bit more acidic soil and a little bit of fall fertilizer, and they are good to go. So the third thing I learned was, if you stake up your tree, make sure to remove the stake after around 3 months, because I learned this the hard way. I just remembered randomly these days that I staked these in the spring and I forgot to remove them. So the material I used to tie around the trees was inside almost their trunk. The trees started to grow around them, so that's not an ideal situation, as you can see on this image. But this is how you learn. So these were the 3 things I learned this year, and I'm really happy with the trees. They just need a little bit of fertilizer and they are good to go. They are also sitting really straight up. This is why I staked them, but they don't need the stakes anymore, so I hope these will grow so much the next year, you guys. I'm really happy with these. So if you have any questions regarding the Leyland hedge or any tips, make sure to leave a comment, and thank you a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.